and hello parents. Hope you're all safe at home and you're all happy with your kids too. And I'm here, Ginal Margaret from Jenny School. I have made yet another video for you. A very, complicated topic which I would like to share with you today. That is teenagers. I'm going to speak about the teenagers. How many of them are really doing a very good parenting to the teenagers? Hope those who are watching this video, you can all know that. See, teenagers, that stage is very complicated one, where unsolved mood swings, and they don't know what they really do. Okay, so many of the parents will have a kind of a question whether I am doing a good parenting or bad parenting. They search many stuffs in the internet and they buy books and they go through, reading how can I handle my teenager. So it is like in those days people were not educated, but they all brought up very good children. They are all they are all very good witnesses in the society. But today this modern technology is making parenting a difficult one. It's a roller coaster now. It's really a roller coaster. Parents are having a kind of a guilty conscience too. Am I giving enough space to my child? Am I giving my enough time? So there are many things going on among the parents, especially for the teenagers. Okay, to tell you in this short video regarding the teenagers, I do have a teenager at the house in my home. My teenager, I could see many of the things are changing from her childhood days and now during this teenage time. So, not taking so much of things and giving a long stuff to you, I just wanted to tell you a little thing. See, parents, as a father and mother, what are the difficulties you are really facing is, my teenager is talking very less to me nowadays. This is a very big common topic that all teenagers parents will tell, because I go visit some of the parents, that is my daughter's parents, friends' parents. They tell, nowadays my daughter is talking very less to me, my son is talking very less to me, they are often watching TV, they are holding their mobile phones, there is no conversation at all. You may all know, see, why this conversation is having a break there. See, this teenager stage is a very important stage where a child can slip or a child can pick. Okay, so slip and pick is like they can slip in their life and some can pick up in their life. So this very dangerous phase is this. You have to be very particular in leading your child. Now your children need helpful attention. Your children need helpful attention, not your leading. Okay, so whatever they do, you give them some kind of attention. You just watch them what they are doing, because these teenagers believe that they have grown up. Okay, they feel like as if they have grown up like a very big man and a very big woman, but actually it is not. To our eyes, they are always kids. So this kind of children, they think they can do anything on their own. They make their own judgments and they often end up with fight with the parents. Not all the teenagers, especially when you take boys. When you take boys, how many fathers are very close with the teenage boys? Just listen. How many fathers are very close with the teenage boys? Girls, somewhat we can really manage with them. But boys, it is very difficult. They feel like as if they are in the house, in somebody's house. They feel like they're staying in somebody's house. They feel that. When the parent comes and asks you something, when the father comes and asks you, why didn't you do this work today? He feels like daddy is commanding. Daddy is treating me like a servant. So these are the mood swings they always have. Why? Because they are shifting to another phase, that is from childhood to their adolescent stage, that is the teenage stage. So there will be a kind of a very shift, a very big shift. So this you have to know this. that teenage children need your attention so much. Your attention. Just say what are the basic things that a teenager will expect from a parent. Just tell me what are the things really a parents will that teenage children will expect from the parents. Very less things. Very less things. For everything, the base is love. Okay? They need your love. They need your encouragement. They need your support, and they need your time. Mainly your time. You know, children, they really, you feel like you're at home staying with your kids, but even then, the time towards your kids, the personal time. Okay, if they are going on watching the TV, you sit along with them and discuss with them and talk to them while watching the TV. It is not like you're going to say the children what you think. You help them what they think. Okay, if a child is having an interest in something, you talk about that thing to your child. You tell him whether what he is thinking is good or bad. Okay, so teenagers are very difficult, you know, nowadays. They take whatever decision they like. And when you come to the education, see, every parent, every teenager's parent, especially the father, you know, like mothers are very supportive. Please don't mistake fathers that I am complaining you. Fathers, especially, what, you know, many of the parents, whatever their peer groups, you know, their father's peer group in the office, whatever they speak together, that things they will bring it home and they will make their child to study that particular group. See, my friend's group, my friend's son is doing that. My another friend's daughter is doing that. So the parents are very concerned about the friend's opinion, not concerned about the children's opinion, the teenagers' opinion. You have to be very careful. Now see, all the results are out and many children are choosing their groups, their future. I don't know how many parents really helping the children to choose the group what the child really likes. So many of the children, you know, they don't even open their mouth. They wanted to fulfill their parents' wish rather than their wish. So you know what, many of the children keep quiet at home and sit because they have no other way. Just they have to sit at home and do all these things because they don't have a way to go out. So they have to depend upon the parents. These are the things, the support, love, encouragement, attention, all these things really your kid needs. How many of the parents are really spending time with your teenager? Have you ever asked him, okay my kid, shall we go out for a while today? You have to ask them. You just ask what he needs. Don't tell what you need from your child. You ask what he needs. So this is an important question I would like to put forth to all the parents out there. So never ever ask a child to do what you think. You ask your child what he needs. Okay, even in education and also in his personal things, and also in whatever they do, because teenagers are very brilliant and in some of the areas they need your attention and some of the areas they need your attention in leading them. So there are many things that you really want to take care of your children. Teenagers are ready to cooperate with the parents, but parents, you have to take lead in taking the right direction and right process and right way in leading your teenage kids. So please never leave them just like that. They are teenagers, why should I need to take care? No, this is the phase that you have to take very careful attention in your child's life. So you have to be very attentive in their life. Thank you.